Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we are comparing two premium travel cards in 2025, the American Express Platinum and the Capital One Venture X. Let's see which one gives you more value this year. The Amex Platinum is known for its luxury perks. It offers airport lounge access through Centurion and Priority Pass, up to $1,500, plus in annual credits and strong travel protections. But it comes with a high annual fee, $695. The Capital One Venture X is a newer competitor. It includes Priority Pass lounge access, 10x miles on hotels and rental cars, and a much lower annual fee of $395, plus a 300 travel credit and 10,000 bonus miles every year. Amex has a wider network of premium partnerships while Venture X keeps things simple and budget friendly. Both cards offer global access, travel insurance, and rewards, but they are built for different types of travelers. If you value luxury perks, high-end lounge access, and don't mind managing multiple credits, the Amex Platinum is the better choice. But if you want great travel rewards with lower fees and easy benefits, Capital One Venture X offers strong value for frequent travelers. Choose based on your travel habits and spending style. If this comparison helped, give this video a like, drop your thought in the comments, and subscribe for more financial breakdowns. Thanks for watching.